Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, and we back at the grind. So the path to 100K, I appreciate everybody tuning in. And yeah, man, let's go get it. I'm up early. This morning, my first stop, I actually have to dismount the TV, take it down, then later on this afternoon, put it back up. So right now we out front doing some little, I guess, yard duties, watering the grass. It's a good metaphor for whatever it is that you do. You got to try to find these little small disciplines and stick with it and focus in on it. So even though it's, like 38 degrees, 40 degrees, this grass still need to be watered. And that's the equivalent to like your dreams or your aspirations or whatever the little goal is that you're trying to accomplish, no matter how big or how small. All right, I'll check back in a second. All right, officially on the move. First stop today, we headed to Alexandria, Virginia. So, yeah, we'll get paid from that, and we'll restart this daily goal, 325. Let's go get it. Realized I didn't update on time. It's 8:19 a.m. And, oh, shoot. We at the gas station, man. Got gas up. What's funny is that, so my work van, normally it's like $35, $40 to gas up. I could probably get maybe about a good like 380 miles out of it before you got to gas back up. But on this Prius, the truth. Now, you would think with what I do, a Prius, does it work out? It actually does. I can fit a small ladder in there, got everything that I need, and yeah, and then I can move around the city and around the surrounding areas pretty easily. I can fit in the parking spots. Like I said, people respect my little cones. You know what I'm saying? And it's just unassuming, man, and it's good. And the best part, like 515 miles per fill up. Oh, and the fill up is only like $24, $23. It depends. I mean, you can't beat it. So on average, that saves me about maybe like $60 a week in gas when it works out. Now on big jobs and when I need to carry like a lot of equipment, speakers and stuff like that, I'll be sure to take the big van. But anyway, I don't know. I just wanted to share that with y'all. All right, we back to it after this. Alexandria. Crazy. What's it say? 505 miles. It's nuts. All right, guys, we're pulling up now. About to run in here and take down a TV. It should be quick, and then we're not transporting that TV, but But anyway, we'll get paid from this. Add it to the kitty. We keep moving. All right, we are here. This TV here. Pretty much just gonna take it down. Right there. Moving. All right, we just wrapped up the first one. So we actually, because I'm going back to her later on, I didn't necessarily take payment and break it up, so they could do it all in one swing. So we'll get paid from this job later on this afternoon. But so far, nothing else is in the kitty. We had to take down this TV. We'll jump back to her. I think she's our third stop for the day. All right, checking on the next one. Oh, sorry. Forgot to tell you where we're going. I think we're headed. We are headed to Woodbridge. Headed to Woodbridge, Virginia. Woodbridge. So we're about 34 minutes out. It's 9:33. Should get there about like 10:07. It's showing, so